In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add ledger in CoinTracker. First, open your CoinTracker portfolio page. This is your home base where all your assets and connections live. From here, go to the wallet section. This page lists every wallet and exchange you've linked so far and is where you'll add your hardware wallet. Select Add Wallet. In the integrations list, choose Ledger. Now we'll follow the on-screen guidance to pull in your public information from Ledger Live. Connect your Ledger device to your computer and unlock it. Open the Ledger Live desktop app, sign in, and make sure it's up to date. In Ledger Live, open the wallet app for the specific coin you want to track. Then, on the left side of Ledger Live, select the relevant account you use for that coin. For Bitcoin, Bitcoin Cash, Dash, Dogecoin, Litecoin, and Zcash accounts, click the wrench icon in the top right, choose Advanced Logs, then look for the HD wallet line that includes an address starting with XPub. Copy the XPub value between the quotes. That's the extended public key CoinTracker uses to derive your receive addresses. Paste this into CoinTracker when prompted. For all other coins, view the list of transactions and addresses in that wallet within Ledger Live and copy the public addresses you use. You'll paste those into CoinTracker as well. Remember, only use public information here. Never enter a recovery phrase or private key. Back in CoinTracker, choose the blockchain that matches the asset you're importing. Picking the correct network matters, for example, selecting Ethereum versus a different EVM chain. Next, add your public address or an ENS domain if you're linking an Ethereum account that has one. Double check for typos. A single character off will result in missing or incorrect balances. If you copied an XPub for a supported Bitcoin family coin, paste that instead of individual addresses. When everything looks right, click Add Ledger. CoinTracker will scan the blockchain for the addresses or XPub you provided, import historical transactions, and calculate balances and gains. This first sync can take a moment depending on activity. Once it completes, return to the wallets page to confirm your Ledger accounts appear and that transactions look accurate. That's it. You went from the portfolio page into wallets, added a new wallet, selected Ledger, provided the correct public data from Ledger Live, chose the right blockchain, added your public address or ENS, and finished with Add Ledger. Thanks for watching and happy tracking.